Hey guys, so in this video we will going to perform the SQL injection testing manually in any website. In my previous video I have taught you how you can perform the SQL injection by automation tool like SQL map. So I will be focusing on how you can find the SQL injection in any website by testing manually. We always should focus on the manual as well as the automation also. So in this video I will focus on the manual testing. As you can see on the screen, I'm in my desktop screen. So as you can see, I will be performing the SQL injection in this website. Actually this is a demo website. For a practical purpose, you can perform in any real world website, but you have to have that permission for that website. So I'm using this kind of a payload you can get from any GitHub. So I will be testing in this URL parameter. So I pasted. As you can see, I get some kind of error. This error simply means that there's some kind of a SQL injection vulnerabilities. So now we'll try to find some kind of more malicious information on this website. So we'll going to take let's try to sign up in this website, and we have taken the some kind of a payload. So like as you can see, I've selected one parameter, and let's try to paste in the username as well as in the password. And after login, let's see. As you can see, I have been successfully logged in this website. That means this website is already vulnerable of the SQL injection. So there are more multiple parameters are there. You can test in the input field and in the URL parameter also. So this is for the into this video. Hope you have liked this video. For more videos, subscribe to my channel.